one big package. Girl, tell me you won't wear these. Which one is it? Crazy or a scammer? I don't remember ordering this. So I'm sitting in my office on the floor, but I wanted to show you guys, I literally just got done printing out my postcards. These are my new postcards. I hope you guys like them. And then I also got some new poly mailers, girl. And I ordered these off of Amazon. I am processing orders right now. So if you guys have ordered from me, thank you so much, girl. And I appreciate the patience. I'm just going through my orders and I'm going to print out the shipping labels now. And I'll talk to you guys when I get done. Also, today is Wednesday and my package should arrive either tomorrow or Friday, so we shall see. Okay guys, so right now I'm literally just sitting on my floor organizing all of my packaging. I have a bunch of hang tags and I am just putting them in this little bin that I got from Dollar Tree. So yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm finished or whatever. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenisha. If you're new here, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, give me a like, and comment your website down below. Okay, so anyways, I am missing one big package. Let's start off with this box right here, and we're just gonna get into it. Okay, find it. Okay, y'all. I told y'all in the last video that I had new sets coming, and girl, here they are. These are so stinking cute. Here are a new style of my stack pants. See, we have one side that is a baby pink, and then we have one side that's a black, and then we have the strings white. Then we have the matching shirt. Literally, y'all have been asking for red, so I got red. These are a different, they're a different style than the other ones. These ones have pockets. Again, these are on the legging side, so these are perfect for summer. These are not sweats. These are not stack sweats. They are more of stack pants or stack leggings. If you guys like this style, I do have extra small through size 2X. I should have black available in these too. So if you guys haven't purchased because you need an extra small, I got you, girl, coming soon. And if you guys already purchased the other black ones, you can still get these ones because they're a different style. They don't have the white drawstring, and I feel like these are a little bit more dressier. I have so many pink ones. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the pink ones now. So here are the pink ones. So cute. I love these. Let's go with this box first. I don't know where to open it at. Y'all, I have so many in here. My office is literally about to be a mess. So look, y'all, we have more red in here. We have more colors in this one. They're just like everywhere. So I have one more style that I wanted to show you guys, but I can't find it. So hopefully it's in this one. Oh, I found it. Okay guys, so we have the last style that I wanted to show you guys. I think this is the last style. I have multiple styles coming, but it was just, oh my god, sometimes it's just so stressful. So we're not going to talk about that, but I will have those come in the next shipment. I had like 10 new styles, but this shipment only had 4. So here's the next new style. Girl, tell me you won't wear these. These are cute. It's just like the pink and the black ones. So they're just like these. And then instead of the white, it comes with the gray drawstring. So these are still cute. I freaking love them. A lot of people ask me, are they sweats? And they're not. So cute. Look at the bottom, y'all. Look at the bottom, girl. So cute. Okay, so I don't know, like, they sent me these ones and these aren't even close to the ones that I ordered. So I'll have to figure that out after this video. As you can see, so say if a customer ordered a onesie and then the vendor sends me this, I didn't even order this, and then it's like you look that crazy or a scammer or unprofessional, because why? Now the customer has to wait longer, or you have to give them something that they didn't even order. You have to like email them, ask them, you know, could you switch the item out? And it's just a lot of things that people don't even understand that we go through. Little mishaps like that happens all the time. So here is the new onesie. I don't remember ordering this, but I guess I did. I don't think I did. I really don't think I ordered this either, but we shall see. So this material is like a spandex material. I don't know. I don't remember ordering these. I don't know. Okay, so then we have my favorite. This is the Money Moves onesie. It's pink, and they changed the material on this too. It's usually a cotton material. This is a like spandex material. But if you guys have been subscribed to my channel, this is not your first time seeing it. And I just got a few because, like I said, I was ordering new ones. So say if I wanted to order a new style of something, and you know they gave me this, it's not the correct material. I didn't even order this style. So just imagine if I would have ordered 100 of them. Just imagine that. Tip of the day. Okay, let's get into the last package, guys. Whole bunch of black. Looks like a bunch of black and gray in this one. I was trying to see that the other one have shirts to go to it, but I don't think it does because, oh, we have more down here. Okay, so before I go, I did get the B. Simone book. Let me see if I can see it. I purchased the B. Simone book, and I wanted to open it up with you guys. So here we go. B. Simone. Okay, so it comes in another package. Here's a book. So cute. It's so cute. Okay, so it says Baby Girl, Manifest the Life You Want by B. Simone. Y'all know we love supporting other women over here. So bomb. Here's her little pictures. I don't get what I want. I get what I manifest. Now, the funny thing is that when I was growing up, I didn't know I was manifesting. All I knew was when I set a goal, I hit it. And when I wanted something, I hustled to get it. Period. Period. That's all I'm going to give y'all. Period. I supported your girl, Moon Cosmetics. So, if you guys did not know, she is the, well, B. Simone, actually, she was on the road to 1 million too. She had $1 million restock. So, these girls are literally so inspirational. Literally purchased at 1201. So this is the Rose Galore oil by Moon Cosmetics. I purchased from y'all. I should have been purchasing more because honestly I had these packages for like literally probably over a month. Probably, yeah, literally like a month and a half, but I've just been so busy. I need to go through my YouTube comments again. So in this video, put your website, y'all. Put your website like y'all always do. Make sure you guys, if you usually don't put your website so I can shop. I purchased this from the My Slay collection, and this is from somebody that lives in my hometown. And these are her lashes. These are cute. They're long and dramatic. And then I love these tweezers as well. Try to link everybody's websites down below, y'all. And if I don't, when I upload this, remind me in the comments. I purchased this from KC Beauty. I'm pretty sure this is hand sanitizer. Girl, I purchased this so long ago. She got a little picture right there. So this is from KC Beauty. So this is Germ Killer from KC Beauty. Here is the scale. It's super small. I will have this link down below. And I'll let you guys know how it works in the future in my next video. So yeah, oh, I also purchased this today. I love supporting businesses. I love supporting local businesses and small businesses and women-owned businesses especially. I saw them in a mall and I was like, it looked like, you can tell when a business is locally owned, and I was like, you know what, I want to stop in. So I got this for Desmond and it smells so good, and the man that helped me, he was so freaking nice. And girl, best believe I was in there networking. I also purchased this soap. I can't wait to use it. I'm gonna use it tonight, and it smells so good, y'all. It's like a Lush. It gives me Lush vibes. And then this is a small sample size of lotion that I purchased, and then the proceeds go to different foundation. Cute. It has a little sticker of the foundation and stuff on there. That's so sweet. And then I purchased a lip balm. This is vanilla. They had different ones as well. And I also have their Instagram and Facebook there. You guys like anything that I showed in this video? The pants. You guys already know about the plain black and gray ones, but I'm going to show you guys just in case you're new here. Here's the gray. So cute. Y'all don't even know. Like, y'all literally are the best. I love y'all. And I do want to apologize for the delay that has been going on with my business and with most businesses. I'm so happy that this stuff is almost over so I can get things back on track. This has literally been delayed with everything, I swear, since like January. Like, that's when everything started, but we didn't know. If you guys had any delay in your packages, I am truly sorry. Black pair right here. I will have more products. I'm so happy to be expanding. If you guys want to be caught up on everything that's going on with my business, check out my last video that I just posted or whatever. And I do sell lashes, I do sell lip gloss, I sell palettes, I sell necklaces, I sell earrings, I sell different lash packs, just a lot of different stuff. If you guys want to support my brand, go ahead and go to klakeybeauty.com and support your girl. And if you guys would like me to support you, leave your business down below. Or if you're watching and you don't have a business and your friend does, leave your friend's business or your cousins or anything like that. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any video suggestions down in the comments. If you guys aren't following my Instagram, make sure you guys are following me at @KDKBeauty_. So happy that you guys are finding my channel and my Instagram, and I'm so grateful and stuff. So yeah, and be mindful that I am the only person working for my company. I did hire my mom, so she is my assistant, but she's only like my assistant when I have like big packages like this that comes in. But other than that, I do everything by myself. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys next time, boss friends. Bye.